Hello friends, welcome to Dap for Do. Hope you're all doing good. So today's video is on how to make this beautiful rainbow and unicorn theme backdrop for any parties or photo shoots with this beautiful rainbow clouds, colorful background. It's easy to recreate, budget friendly. I've done it with all the items easily available at home. So let's get started doing. Taken a cardboard which I've got for some bedsheet, and now I'll mark two clouds on it. You can make according to the size of your backdrop, as many as you wish to, and with the help of a scissor or a craft's knife, just cut them across like this in the shape. So I'm using this colorful fairy lights which I have with me, and with the help of clear tape I'm just adding it around the cardboard which I have cut. Just place them randomly and stick it with the clear tape like this as shown. These are battery operated and have 3 variations of lighting. You can use the normal electric lights also. To get the cloudy effect, I am using the stuff from this stuffed toys, where you can always replace it back if you have a zipper like this. And instead of this, you can use normal cotton also. So this is the synthetic stuff. Gently place it over the cloud, and with the help of a simple cotton thread, just wrap it around. I'm not using any glue here or anything. You can always get your stuff back and fill it in the toy. So this is how I've created 2 clouds. You can make more or one also according to your option. So this is how beautifully they look. And for the hanging option, I am adding a binding wire so that you can hang it on a nail, or you can just spin it across. With the leftover card, I've made 2 ears, unicorn and an arch. And this is a cardstock which I have, which is in dark color. So with the help of this, we will just create the eyes. So just make a winky curve eyebrow shape and extend it twice in the bit center, and cut both the pieces together so that we will get a uniform eyes on both the sides. So this is how the eyes are ready. And for the ears, what I did is, I have a fabric which is left over from another project. I am covering it up with the help of glue gun. You can use felt or even simple card paper if you have in nearby colors. You can directly use that also and cover the card, or you can directly cut it into the shapes. So I hope you are enjoying the video till now. If so, please hit the like button. I have covered all the unicorn and the ears, and these flowers I've used in many of the videos. You can refer to it in the I button. So I'm just placing these flowers on the curve arch which I've made. These are made out of non-woven material, fabric, polythene, like so, and I've decorated it with few pearls. So try to place them similarly on both the sides as I did in the video. So if you're new to my channel, it's really great to have you here. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell button so that you will get all the notification. I'm just giving a variation of colors with the marker to show the unicorn and the center part of the ears. So to further enhance it, I am adding a little bit of shimmer nail polish. You can always add some glitter or any shiny material to enhance it. So this is how, with the help of glue gun, I'll attach them to the curve and place these eyes. So our cute unicorn is ready. And for hanging that, I'm just using a simple safety pin. For the rainbow, I'm using my dupattas. Just I'm pleating it on one side and on an hanger, clothes hanger, and just with the help of a ball pin I am adding all the 7 colors. So this is that simple to create a rainbow. And for the backdrop I have laid a plain white back sheet. If you have a blue color sheet, that will be an added advantage. And I have these serial lights, colorful one. You can attach it as I did with the help of ball pin, or you can simply add clear tape in your desired shape, or you can sew it also with needle and thread. So I've made a rectangular spiral here. So this is how when it is laid on wire it will look. So always try to put from the back so that it gives a nice look from the front. And I'm just dropping the hanger from the back side. If you don't have space, you can always add directly to the backdrop also. So you can either leave it to cascade if they are all even. If not, what I did is I have just slided them to one side because they are all uneven. And if you may ask, I don't have these many colors of dupattas with me. You can always use the polyester fabric. It is the cheapest fabric which you get around 25 rupees per meter. So I think that will do your job. So this is how beautifully I've arranged these dupattas with the help of safety pin. And because it is uneven at the bottom, I have just tied them up to one side and kept. So our rainbow is also ready. Now I have added the clouds also. So if you can see, they are very lightweight and they will easily hang on the fabric. Just simply with the help of a safety pin I've added, and just pull the cotton a little up and that will do the job for the clouds. Left the centerpiece for the unicorn, and I've added the unicorn hat at the center where I did not add any lighting. It is also simple, you can attach it with the pin. And for the eyebrows, what I did is I've just added a clear tape and that. You can always use double side tape also. So this is how, after assembling all the things, our backdrop is looking. I hope you're liking it. If so, you can please hit the like button. One suggestion which I would like to give is, don't overdo by adding flickering light in the center and in the clouds. Make one subtle, or you can even leave the backdrop lighting, or only clouds you can put, or you can remove the lighting from the clouds also. Because if both are flickering, it will give a very messy or disturbing look. If you see, my suggestion would be, keep one of the lighting a little dull if you're planning to use both, or simply you can use only for the clouds or only for the backdrop. The kids will definitely love this colorful theme. If you feel that someone is looking for budget friendly backdrop ideas, so I would appreciate if you share my work with them. And thank you for watching this. See you all again. Namaste.